everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be potting up my ginger plants. I'm doing the ginger grow along with my friend Lonnie from Gingerfoot Gardener. And in my previous videos, I have YouTube shorts that I'll link below. I showed how I pre-sprouted the ginger. I really didn't expect them to grow this fast, but I had them on heat mats. And I still have a few in here that are popping up, and I have another pot. And so I'm going to show you how I'm going to transplant them into some pots. But I'm really excited about planting my own ginger because I get to share it with my friends and family. And I can't wait to see what it does. So let's get, so there's not very much to potting them up. So I have a few pots over here with soil. So I want to dig out the ones, I want to carefully do it because I'm not quite sure where this one is located. Oh, and how big it is. Oh, turns out this is from one plant. Carefully do this. Oh, this is amazing. I'm gonna break it off because I really don't need the whole ginger plant, the older one. I don't want to damage the roots, and I got significant roots. So I broke one off. I'm gonna try to take the other one off. I don't want to damage the root. Oh, nice. I got it off just so you can see. And I'm going to pot them up. I'm going to stick this guy back in because I don't know if there's any more on here. They would have started to pop up already. I'm going to put it back in just in case. So what I normally do, every day I'll spray them with my mister. And I have another little guy right here, but I don't think he's ready. And there's quite a few more popping up. So now I'm gonna move this out the way. Okay. This is pretty much ready. Got these two. I'll keep monitoring. Thanks again for watching. I'm so excited. I have 2 actual ginger plants. Until next time, I'm going to create a playlist with the ginger so that you can see the whole process, including the shorts, because I do put some stuff on Instagram that I don't put over here. But I'm very proud of myself, and I have quite a few more that are sprouting. I'm going to put these downstairs underneath the grow light. Add a little water. I don't want to add too much. So thanks again for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Have a great day. Bye.